I'm Leah and welcome to the Not Only Carrots YouTube channel. Today I'll be listing for you some sugar alternatives so you can get away from the white refined sugar and get a little healthier. Let's get started. Okay, some alternatives for white sugar. We'll start with the one that I use the most often, which is rapadura. Another word for that is panela, and that's just evaporated cane juice. It contains all of the molasses and the vitamins and minerals that cane juice contains, and it cooks really well. And I just substitute it 1 cup for 1 cup. So if it was a cup of white sugar, I put in a cup of rapadura. You can use it in all your baking and cooking, and it's yummy. And if you really want a treat, you can even eat a lump of it for dessert. For a liquid sweetener alternative, I recommend agave nectar, which is made from heating the sap of cactus, and maple syrup, which is probably a big duh for any of the Canadians out there. It is made from heating the sap of maple trees. So if you are avoiding honey, you can use these sugar alternatives instead, and they do bake really well, and you would use slightly less maple syrup than you would sugar. So if you're putting in 1 cup of white sugar, you would only need 2/3 of a cup of your maple syrup or agave nectar, but make sure you also reduce the liquid in your cake or pancakes or whatever you're making, because obviously your sweetener is a liquid, so you don't want it to be too runny when you're finished. Another sugar alternative is palm sugar. Some vegans choose to avoid palm sugar because of deforestation, but palm sugar is an alternative for white sugar as well. And it comes in hard cakes, which you can crush or pulse in your blender to create the sugary pieces, and you can bake with them as well, and they work really nicely in vegan desserts. If you are vegetarian, of course, an alternative for white sugar is also honey. Thank you so much for joining us today, guys. I hope this has given you a few ideas. If you are curious about what you could use perhaps in place of another ingredient in your cooking, leave us a question in the comments below, and I'm happy to do a video about that for you as well. Check out our other videos, guys. We have mentioned down here some foods that perhaps you didn't know weren't vegan, and we have lots of cooking shows too on the channel. So subscribe, click like, share the video with your friends, and we will see you next time. Bye.